So today I'm sharing with you how I harvested, prepped, bagged my organic traditional vegetables for my kitchen vegetable garden, the main one being terere. I'll be storing them in my freezer to be used during the winter and the spring season. Terere or Amaranthus is loaded with antioxidant, vitamin, plant-based proteins, minerals, fibers. It can also help lower your cholesterol and your blood glucose, among other benefits. And as you can see, actually they are doing very well, and amazingly I did not plant any of these. They just grew by themselves, and most likely it came from probably there are some seed that fell from what I had planted last year. So this is my very first time harvesting this terere, and actually I'm very much impressed. They are doing very well. And after I was done, I'm now taking them to my prepping table. And then I come back and I got some more. And I also harvested some sweet chard and some pumpkin leaves. And then soon after it started raining, so I had to move everything now into the kitchen. So at this point, I took my time to go through all of them individually because I didn't want to miss anything. And finally, I am all done. And as you can see, there we have the pumpkin leaves, and there we have the Swiss chard, and my terere are right there. And by the way, what do you call terere in your native language or your mother tongue? So at this point, I'm cleaning the sink so we can get these vegetables cleaned up. Right there, I have broke the water and have decided to add some salt just to make sure that they are a little extra clean. and I decided to separate them just to make it easier for me to clean them up. And as you continue to watch, I want to take this chance to appreciate everybody for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I really do appreciate you. So the number of time you clean them up depends on how much dirt they have. Mine were quite clean when I harvested them, so I just cleaned them up to my satisfaction. So all my terere are all now done. I'm now doing the sweet chard and the pumpkin leaves. Now all done with cleaning the vegetables, and now we're going to be moving to the next step. And at this point, I'm just labeling the freezer bags just to make it easier for me when I get all the vegetables done. I'm cutting them up into big chunks. This is because they cook very fast and can get very tender. So we started with Amaranthus, and as you can tell, that word is very hard to pronounce, Amaranthus. I better call them Terere. So right there we are cutting the Terere, and then we're gonna go to the spinach or the Swiss chards, and then I'm going to be doing the pumpkin leaves, mix all of them together, and I'm gonna label this bag as mixed vegetables. And as you continue to watch, I want to appreciate you for watching. Thank you for the subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, I want to kindly request you to subscribe so you can help me grow this young channel. So right there, I just remembered I forgot to write mixed vegetables. So I'm just bagging all of them together, and I'll be able to differentiate depending on what I need to cook on a particular day. And I hope you are being inspired to go and try your own vegetable garden, and you will love it. And I want to show you where I store my vegetables, and as you can see, it is really looking full. Thank you for watching my videos, and have a good one. Bye bye.